Hi, I'm Nikisha, and this is Nikita Workshop. Today we're going to be unboxing this button maker machine. This one I bought is from Happizza store. I'll put the link in the description below of what the company where I bought this from. It is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. All right, let's get into it. So it says it's a DIY badge maker. It's supposed to make two sizes. So it's supposed to make the 32 and the 58 millimeters. So this is for the small one, the 32, and these are the covers. These are the covers for the 58 millimeters. Here it comes with plastic backing, and these look safer with how they latch. And then this is for the 32. It also include these cutters. It says adjustable cutters. We have the films and the white, the clear film and then the white film for both sizes. We have the unit for both sizes. This is a 32, and then we have the 58. We have one Allen key. And we have some instruction manual, or instruction sheets, I should say. And it is, one's a troubleshooting guide, and one is an operation method, or operation method. And then here they have the assembly on the other side of the same sheet. And then this one is just blank. And an empty bag. Not sure what this is. Maybe this is what the Allen key had. Oh, that's weird. All right, so here's the units. This is a green one. So assembly. So this one doesn't have a directional like the other one. Let's see what's in here. So these are the pieces for the 58 millimeter. That's the top part. Oh, it looked like they tested it. So there was a pin already in here without the backing. So I guess that's quality control. So I should be able to do this with what they sent me. Oh, here we have the stopper. Let's see. It doesn't have like any markings on there, like A or B. But it looks like usually this part where the pins go to the back, and then the opening is to the front. And then this is the top part. So we're gonna snap in. So if you notice, there's one notch or protrusion on the edge there. So there's only one way you could fit it inside the whole to hold in the hose. I can't talk. Inside the slot. There's only one way you could fit it inside the slot. So I'll put it in there. Okay, that slides in. And I guess that's it. Here we have the blocker. This, or the peg, is gonna go inside. This is where it is. So now stop it from coming out. Alright, I think that's it. Let me add the other camera view. Alright. So let's see what the instruction says. So we're just gonna test it with just the plain white sheets. So we have the cover. Make sure to pull one of the white sheets in there. And try to pull one. It's one film. And slide it on. Okay. And then put the backing on. So I have to make sure this side is up. And then let's put it in. Oh wow, one shot. I got it done in one shot. Let's see how it looks to what they had. So this is the one that I did. And this is the one that they did. So, pretty cool. One shot, no issues. Awesome. Right, we're gonna try the smaller size now. To make sure the grooves are up, so I could get this out. I feel like I might break it because I have to tilt this thing up. And then I should be able to just pull. There we go. Pop that one out. And then oh, they did this here too. It's like they test it before it leaves the factory. So here's a little one without the pin. I did a quality control. And here, there's oil in here. It's probably, it looks like it's oil. It's clear liquid. I'm guessing that's oil. Now we have So same setup. Just come with a peg. Yep. This one has 2 pegs in here. I wonder if the other one had 2 pegs. Let's see. Alright, so this one came with 2 pegs. There. I don't know if you could mistakenly slide it. Oh, you could slide it in the wrong way. So again, make sure this part is to the back of the machine. So that part to the back. But first, I should put the pins in. So same way, it has the notch. This one has a notch too. So make sure that lines up. And then there are grooves in here. There one fits. I realize the small one fits to the hole on the right, and the big one fits in the hole on the left. So let's put this one in. So lift that up to slide it through. Hey, why not? Put the outer peg in. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same thing and put a cover in. Cover first. So the white piece, granted, this is just testing, that's why there's nothing on here. I want to make sure it works. So that's on there. I'm going to take the measurement and then print the design that I need for what I have coming up. So here we go. And then I need a backing. So this one's a little different to the design. So the curly wavy part is the back, because then the pin is in the front. So see the curvy part. So how we're gonna put it in the machine is this part with the pin is gonna be facing up, because that's gonna be the backing. All right, so that's in there. I don't feel like I have to manhandle it. I feel a little light. Just holding up. Ah, there we go. This one works too. Great, so it works. And then to compare, the one with the pin is what I did. The one without the pin is what they did. So here we are. It's not bad. This is mine. This is theirs. So one shot. All right, this one makes it easy. So here, unboxing and the first press or badge made in one shot. So I'm gonna do another test run and then do the measurements, see how it's gonna look once I do my design, and then to make it into the pin. Once I figure that out, I'll post another video of how I do it. But in the meantime, you can look at the other videos. I'm gonna post my video of the other one that I tried that didn't go well. I guess that's it. I'll keep you guys updated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye.